Hey guys, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how you can get through those prop firm challenges using our FRZ Prop Trading Master EA. Let's dive straight in. First things first, drop the EA file into your MT4 Experts folder. Then, just refresh or restart MT4. Easy. Next, head over to MT4's options. Under Expert Advisors, make sure Automated Trading, DLL Imports, and Web Requests are all enabled. For web requests, add the 3 URLs we've given you. Now, this EA is built for Forex pairs on the 15-minute chart. To hit your target, you'll want to run it on at least 15 to 20 pairs at once. Don't stress. It won't double up on similar pairs. For example, if it opens a trade on Euro USD, it won't open another on a pair that also has Euro or USD. Here's the cool part. The EA randomizes which pairs it trades, as well as entry price, stop loss, and take profit levels. That means even if 2 people are using the exact same EA on the same prop firm, they still won't get identical trades. Alright, let's load the EA onto a chart and go through the setup. Let's say you've got a $100,000 prop account with a 10% profit target, 10% max loss, and 5% daily loss. In the first 4 settings, you'll put in your account size, profit target, max loss, and daily loss, all in dollar amounts. If your prop firm doesn't allow trades over the weekend, make sure to switch on settings 16 and 17. Most of the other prop account settings can stay as they are unless you want to tweak them. Check the manual if needed. Next, trading settings. Here's the rule of thumb. 1 lot for every 50,000 in your account. So with a 100,000 account, start with 2 lots. With 25K, start with half a lot. Once you've run it for a week or so and you see how it's performing, you can scale up carefully. Just don't go crazy. Conservative trading is the way to go. Now, setting number 6 is about pair names. Some brokers add little extras like Euro USD.A or Euro USD.CASH. If that's the case, just type in the clean symbol name without the extra bits. If your broker shows plain Euro USD, just leave it blank. Last thing, you'll need to change the magic number. Pick a random number and make sure it's the same across all charts you're running. Once you're done, click OK, save it as a template, and you're good to go. Just remember, if your broker has suffixes, adjust setting 6 each time. Quick word on backtesting. You can't backtest the full EA because it uses live data from our servers. But no worries, we've got a demo version you can test. Open the strategy tester, pick the EA, go to Expert Properties, and set your initial deposit to match your prop account. For example, 100K. Pick a pair, choose the 15-minute time frame, tick visual mode if you want to see it run, then hit start. The demo has a trade limit, but you can run it as many times as you want to get a feel for how it trades. And that's it. You now know how to install, set up, and test the FRZ Prop Trading Master EA. If you've got questions, drop a comment or reach us on our website. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll catch you in the next one.